A new law just going into effect that gives you more protection when buying a new car. Colorado's Attorney General announced the expanded Lemon Law this month.
Let's go live now to Fox 31 problem solver Shaw Turner with what you need to know before paying for a new set of wheels. Shaw.
Well, it is so exciting to drive a new car off the lot. But, you pull up and you hope that this car is going to last you a long time and you aren't going to have any problems. But lemons do come off the manufacturing line, and lemons have manufacturing defects that affect your safety, whether you can drive the car and even the resale. So the problem solvers talk to auto dealers and also mechanics who say this new law is exactly what Colorado needs.
Some people drive a new car off the lot and right into the mechanic's garage.
Maybe an issue that might not be presenting to you or to the dealer.
It's called being stuck with a lemon.
Repair of the water pump.
Auto expert Niall Crespo of the Import Mechanics has more than a decade of experience. He tells Fox 31 these days cars have so much advanced technology, customers with lemons usually end up needing electrical and computer system repairs.
If you have a vehicle that, let's say it is a lemon, anything you're faced with as a repair is going to be astronomically more expensive than it used to be a decade ago.
Colorado's new lemon law lowers the lemon label requirement from 4 to 3 failed repair attempts of the same defect, or after 24 or more business days of repairs that keep it off the road. It's a lemon after only 2 failed attempted repairs if a significant safety risk is involved. The law extends the term of protection to 2 years after you buy a car or within the first 24,000 miles, and gives you 30 months after delivery to file a claim, instead of 6 months following the expiration date of the manufacturer's warranty.
We want consumers to be protected.
Matthew Groves is the CEO of the Colorado Automobile Dealers Association, which represents 260 small and large car sellers. He tells the problem solvers lemon laws remove haggling over who's responsible for repairs, making it easier to do business.
We don't look for single sales, right? We look for long-term relationships where I could sell you 5 cars over 25 years, where I could sell cars to your kids. That's the type of a relationship we want with our customers. And the first time you have a transaction go wrong, that trust is broken forever.
Yes, and updated lemon law will also give you more protection when buying used cars. They're called lemon buyback cars. You're going to have more transparency about what that car has been through, whether it was a ride share, maybe a taxi. You want to know about that. The Attorney General also reminds you, though, even with the lemon law, you want to make sure that you have any car checked out before you pay 1 dime for it. Take it to a good mechanic, and also investigate the warranty as far as what happens with defects. Shaw Turner reporting live in Denver, Fox 31.